Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. And if you are returning, welcome back. If you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you never miss any of my videos. And to the 10,000 people who subscribed, thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. Guys, we made it to 10,000 subscribers. So right here, these are my flowers and my balloons. Thank you also for my birthday wishes. You guys are amazing. So unfortunately, I cannot say this haul is free just yet. When I go back to the store tomorrow, it's going to be free or close to being free. So everything you see here costs $18.37. I have 42 items, which is 43 cents per item. Now, if you don't want some of the stuff, excuse me, I'm not editing that out, by the way. If you don't want the Pop-Tarts and some of the other stuff, it can be a free haul for you. Just follow the video and choose which deals you want to do. So again, thank you guys so much, and let's jump into the video. Okay guys, so the first deal I'm starting with is a body wash deal.
I'm picking up 2 of the Irish Spring, and it's 2 for $10.
When you buy 2, you get $3 back. I'm going to be using 2 of these expired coupons, and I have a 3 off of 2. I'm going to pay $5 and I'll get $3 back, making them $2 or $1 each. Okay guys, so the soft soap is 4 for $10. Buy 4, get $5 back. I'm going to be using 4 of these 50% off coupons. It's going to take $2 off. I'll pay $8 and I'll get $5 back, making them just $3. Okay, so Nivea spend 20, get $10 back. I am picking up 1 of the women's body wash at $8.79. Then I'm gonna pick up 2 of the men's body wash at $5.99. So for those 3 products, it's gonna be $20.77. I have a 3 off of 15 Nivea CRT, and I'm gonna be using these expired coupons right here. It's going to bring it down to $13.77. I'll pay that and I'll get $10 back, making it $3.77. Okay guys, so this is my entire body wash deal. Everything here is $40.77. I have a 4 off of 25 body wash CRT and my 3 off of 15. I can use them both because this is $40 worth of body wash, okay? So it's going to come down to $22.77 after all of the coupons. I'll pay that and I'll get $10 back for spending 20, $5 back for the soft soap, and $3 back for the Irish Spring, which brings the final cost to $4.77 for everything. Okay guys, so I'm getting one of the Conair Turbo Dryer and it's $15. When you buy 1, you get $10 back, making the final cost just $5. Okay, so on my other card, I'm gonna get one of these right here. That's also $15. Get $10 back, making it just $5. Okay, so the next thing I'm picking up is 2 Colgate products, and you'll see the signs. It's 2 for $7.98. There is a $7.98 coupon that's going to make 2 of these completely free. So you can pick up 2, clip that coupon, and go to the register, and they'll be completely free. Okay, so the next deal I am doing is the Crest deal, and it's $3.99. Buy 3, get $5 back. You can do this deal 2 times. I am picking up 6. That's going to be $23.94. I'm going to use 4 of these $2 off coupons. I have a 5 off of 20 CRT and a $6 digital coupon that's going to glitch and come off. I'm going to pay $4.94, getting $10 back, making them all free, and a $5.06 moneymaker. Okay guys, so the LA Colors and the Wet n Wild products, that's $4.99. When you buy 1, you get a $4 extra care back, making it just 99 cents. Now the ones that's $9.99, when you get 1, you get a $8 extra back, making them $1.99. Okay guys, so I am picking up 4 of the Pop-Tarts. It's $1.99. There's nothing back. So for 4 of them, it's going to be $7.96. I'm going to use 2 of these coupons I printed from the Kellogg's Rewards. That's going to take $2 off. There's nothing back. I also have a $2 off when you spend 8 in breakfast CRT, making the final cost just $3.96. Okay, so the next thing I am picking up is 2 of the Wick essential oils refill, and it's $4.99. For both, it's going to be $9.98. I have a $2.75 digital coupon, and I'm going to use this $2.75 coupon for the second one. I have a 2 off of 5 CRT and a $1.50 app only coupon. It's going to take $9 off, leaving the final cost to be just 98 cents for both of them. Okay guys, so this is going to be my spend 30 get 10 deal. I am picking up 3 of the Downy, not Downy, 3 of the Tide. It's $11.94. That's going to be $35.82. I have a 5 off of 25 CRT, and I'm going to use 3 of these expired coupons. I like to use these first and save my new ones for later on. So that's going to take $14 off. I'm going to pay $21.82, and I'll get $10 back, making the final cost just $11.82 for 3 of the large packs. Okay guys, so I'm gonna pick up this Revlon tool right here. It's $7.49. I have a $5 off any beauty tool and a 3 off of 6. It's gonna adjust down, making this completely free. Okay guys, so this is one of my receipts. This is the Tide, the Wick. All of my coupons scanned perfectly fine. This is the $2.75. The $2.75 Wick digital, the 5 off of 25 for the Tide, the 2 off of 5 Wick, the $1.50 off of 1 Wick, the 2 off of 8 breakfast. Everything came off, and I paid 57 cents. I'm not going to show you what I got back because you guys are, well, not you guys, but someone has been hacking these people's accounts and taking all of their extra bucks. And excuse my hand, I have some kittens in my backyard. I know you guys saw them, and my hand is like, I have some type of disease because they just cut me so bad. All right, this is the Colgate. Everything came off. The oral care, the 5 off of 20 Crest, the Colgate $7.98 off of 2. I used $15 in extra bucks. I paid $4.94, and I got back $10, another $10, and $7 for something. Beauty, 10% back on beauty, which I had no idea we were getting. So that's an extra $7 that I got completely free. So I'm not going to show you any of my receipts because someone is trifling and they're hacking all these people's accounts. So this is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.